Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Languish, and here at Fragile Glory Impressions, I'm gonna be walking you through 4 tips for being a good art teacher. Wait, not just a good art teacher, a great art teacher. First thing is to be real and intentional. Take your job seriously and your students will take you seriously. Be bold and straightforward with your expectations for yourself and for your students in your class. Set rules, a flow, a process for your class, and stick to that. Second thing is to be fun and flexible. Take each student, each class at a time. No matter how many classes you teach in a day, take each student, each class at a time. Be in the moment. Be authentic and enthusiastic with how you present projects or ideas or assignments, right? Talk about the art. Get excited about the art. Help each student where they're at, and then show them the joy that art can bring, how much fun art can be. Change things as you go. Be flexible with your syllabus because things happen, things change. If your students are getting bored, change it up. Have fun. Decide to have an art board game day instead, to just flip the script a little bit. Just change things up. Be willing to be flexible. If you love art yourself, all of this will be so natural, which leads me to my third point, which is be an inspiration and an example. Practice what you preach. Show your art. I don't do this enough with my students. I need to show more of my art. I need to bring in pictures. I need to bring in actual physical examples of my work so that they can see what you're working on, right? Talk about your art process. Talk about the struggles, the day-to-day grind of being an artist. Talk about the joy of being an artist. All of this stuff is going to really inspire your students, even more so than you think. I'll have students come up to me and be like, wait, so what do you do? What does this look like for you? Like, share all of that with them. Show them what real life as an artist can look like. Fourth point, be a mentor and a friend. So keep an open door for ideas, for research, for assistance and help with their art. Share and give real life opportunities for your serious art students, and you will know who those serious students are. You'll see them, you'll point them out, they'll pop out to you, they'll come to you. Those students, give them internships, give them experience, give them apprenticeships. Let them see you working in your studio space on your art. Let them see you plan and prepare for an art class. Let them assist you in your classes. All of these are ways that you can really step up to help them even more, provide them with one-on-one coaching or assistance or classes, right? There's so many ways you can do this. So those are my 4 tips for you art teachers out there to be, let's face it, we all want to be the best art teacher, the best teacher, the favorite teacher of your students. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more things like this. Thanks guys. Bye.